It's Global Fat Biking Day, and we're going over to Mike's shop to see if he has a fat bike that I could buy, because I don't have one for the day. So Rocky Mountain Blizzard 20. The reason why I like it is because it has a super nice cheap build. It's got this SRAM SX Eagle. This is running some Maxxis Minions 26 by 4.8. So these are some nice fat tires here. And it's just got some Shimano brakes, pretty basic. Entry level, but you get the Eagle. And decent components all around, honestly, like decent components. But it's like 1,500 bucks. And then, you know, you get it on a like sale or something, and it's a great deal. As far as geometry goes, the Blizzard actually comes in with what I think is a little bit more of a progressive geometry. It has the same seat tube angle as some of the other bikes on the market, like the Mukluk and the Trek Farley and the Fazari Kings Peak. But the head tube angle is actually smaller, which means it's more slacked out by 2 degrees. 67 versus 69 on those other bikes. I got myself a new Global fat bike. So this bike climbs awesome. It weighs 36 pounds with my dropper on there, but it climbs so good. So I'm not all concerned. And maybe if I ever have a chance, I could throw like a carbon fork on there and that'd really lighten it up. But you know what? I don't really feel it. It feels good. So super happy about how it climbs. Downhill, super fun. I slam my seat down and I just scoot back. It's got a 67-degree head tube angle. And that's pretty, I would say, a little more, you know, slacked out for fat bikes. And it does great. It feels really good. So definitely feels a lot better than my last fat bike. Feels more slack, climbs better. Probably it's a little heavier, but you know, it has like a steel fork or something. My other one had a carbon one, but I like this way better. So really stoked on the Blizzard 20. Oh, I love my seat dropper. I could just raise it just now.
Oh, you jerk.
Okay, so the Rocky Mountain Blizzard 20 has the 6061 SL Series alloy frame. It's a 100mm bottom bracket. Nice. 0 stack tapered head tube, internal cable routing, which is great because I had a seat dropper, so I was able to get that one installed. Got 190mm dropouts. The fork is a basic Rocky Mountain aluminum, kind of heavy. I mean, this is a basic bike, right? It's got the Rocky Mountain branded stem and handlebars, which are 760mm. Feels like a good rise. I don't know the measurements on that. Some Rocky Mountain grips. Shimano MT 201 2-piston brakes, basic, you know, but they're fine. Ew. The SRAM BSA Dub, which is the newer size bottom bracket. Cassette is a SRAM PG 1210 11 to 52. The drivetrain is SRAM's entry-level Eagle, the SX. Inexpensive, and it works great, and it gives you the Eagle gear, which is amazing. Front hub is just a Rocky Mountain. Rear hub is a Sunring Gold. Rims are Rocky Mountain Speedhole 95mm. Tires are the Maxxis, and then it has a WTB saddle. The thing about this bike is an entry-level fat bike with decent components. Like, they're decent. They're heavy though. That's so fun right now.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So good. Thanks very much. Oh, this is awesome. What the heck? Nice. Well, we wrote you a note.
We did.
You didn't write us a note.
We left a big old Jeremy, Arrow, Pine Hollow, Downhill.
Shout out to Mike. Thanks for the deal and for putting on my dropper. He hooked me up, and come check out his shop and see what you can find there and pick up from him. He's got some great deals. And shout out to Rocky Mountain. I always love their stuff. This is my second Rocky Mountain. I now have 2 bikes from them. I now have the Blizzard and the Instinct. Super stoked on that, and can't wait to get out and ride it.